This is Meze Audio's first ever open back dynamic headphone, and it really does sound quite incredible. Hey guys, we have the Meze Audio 109 Pro headphones with us today, and if you've been following the brand, you'll notice immediately that it takes a great deal of inspiration from the 99 classics, and it looks gorgeous. Before we get into the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. So, let's talk design first, starting with the box. It's relatively big with a gold geometric design on the front, and inside you get a nice hard-sided case for protection. Inside that case, you get the headphones and a leather bag along with two 3.5mm cables, one 1.5 meter cable and a 3 meter cable. There's also a 6.3mm adapter included, which is nice. But let's talk about the headphones. Meze Audio uses sustainably harvested black walnut wood, which is beautiful and adds a touch of refinement to the headphones. More than that, the headphones can be taken apart for repairs and replacement, and I tried it out at home, taking out the screws here to remove the self-adjusting headband and all. It's super easy. The cable also connects via 3.5mm jacks to the headphone, which means it's easy to find aftermarket cables if you're into that. The headphones are incredibly comfortable right out of the box thanks to that self-adjusting headband that helps to distribute pressure across your entire head, resulting in basically no pinching at the crown at all. The ear pads are made of velour and they are certainly very nice with just the right amount of clamping force. On the outside of the ear cup, you get what Meze Audio calls their spider-shaped structure, which allows for airflow. Everything put together, I never found my ears overheating once, even in hot and humid Singapore. Inside the headphones, there's a 50mm driver made with a combination of beryllium-coated polymer and cellulose carbon fiber composite, which offers stiffness and durability. This driver sits inside an aluminium frame and is angled towards the ear. All that makes the 109 Pro incredibly excellent in terms of sound quality. The bass attack is quick and well controlled and overall very well balanced. I do have to note though that this isn't a bassy pair of headphones, so if you're looking for something with a bit more rumble, this isn't quite for you. Regardless, I enjoyed listening to a variety of music using these. Coming to the mids, you'll notice warmness and vibrancy here. There's so much detail and energy with great separation and transparency. The treble is also crisp with plenty of sparkle and energy, which I love. There's air and a very clear sense of spaciousness here, along with a defined separation from the mids. The soundstage is excellent as well since they are open back headphones. It's relatively wide and there's plenty of layering and separation with an accurate presentation of instruments and vocals. Anyway, here is a short sound test for you guys. With a 40 ohm impedance, these aren't hard to drive at all. I can drive them perfectly well with a small DAC amp, but of course, they will benefit and scale up nicely with better equipment. At $799 US or 1,234 Singapore dollars, these are certainly one of the better headphones in this price range. Not only is it very well built, the sound quality is absolutely excellent. It's musical and dynamic, and I would highly recommend giving it a listen at a store if you can. Anyway, those are my thoughts on the Meze Audio 109 Pro headphones. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to us and like this video. Till next one, see you guys.